See if we can't do another one and not bumble and bobble this one up. Huh, brother?
Bumble and bobble.
Bumble and bobble. Yep.
Bundle.
I kind of bumbled and bobbled that last one.
Bobble. Can you bumble and bobble at the same time?
Bundle and bobble. 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 Hey, yeah, I got a cigarette in my mouth. I like to smoke little cigars. That all right with you? Yes, of course it's all right with me.
What do they call them? Cigarillos?
Cigarillos. They got no chemicals in them.
I don't know if
They're healthy for you. See?
Where does it say that it has no chemicals in it?
Well, they do. They have no chemicals because of paper. That's the only reason why they can sell these cigars, because they're not have to register with the cigarette department. They have all those chemicals in them. It's natural cigar. You're not supposed to actually inhale, but I do.
Yeah, it's like I smoked some pipe tobacco like that.
Ooh.
Like, oh, this
Ooh,
is really
pipe tobacco.
You know? Stefan was rolling. He bought a pound of it for really cheap.
Well, let's not make that same mistake that I did the previous day, which we'll save that for our deep, dark files. So when I'm dead and gone, you can go look at it and say, "Oh my! Oh my!" We'll be right back to you. This is, by the way, Geoff and Hick at our favorite spot in the Dogtrot on the porch.
Took a nice outdoor shower today.
Took a nice outdoor shower. Folks, let's give him a hand. Yay! He's took a shower.
Conditioned my beard.
Yeah. Mambo needs you. You need to take Mambo for a shower with you. We'll be right back, folks. Exercise. Back on, folks. We're to bring you the latest news from Monday evening. We did get a video out. It should be out on your portal there, or your desktop, or whatever you're using, called fried green tomatoes. It's tasty.
Still got some.
Yeah, we got somewhere have tonight.
Yeah.
Maybe throw some cheese on top of it.
Throw some cheese on top. Maybe some pasta. Throw them on pasta.
No, I don't want them on pasta.
No, I don't want them on pasta.
I don't want them. You can have them on pasta. I don't want them.
What do you want with them?
Just
tortellini?
You know, what you ought to try is try one of those little packages of gnocchi. Those are good.
Is that the ones in the refrigerator?
Yeah. Yeah.
Think they're still good?
Oh, yeah, they're still good. Because they don't even get...
Gnocchi's like a potato flour.
It is a potato.
Little pasta-like, you know. You make gnocchi. Got little gnocchi spoons. Gnocchi spoons, you throw them in the water. Make the gnocchi dough. Throw them in the water. Gnocchi dough, throw them in the water.
We're already done.
We used to make a dessert at the La Marquis. It was this rich chocolate, and they made these little balls with 2 spoons. There was a little skill of doing that, rolling them, making them come out in these nice little extra rich, and it went into a sauce, set on top of a sauce.
Our light is going.
It's like $20 worth.
Yeah, dessert. Okay. Our light is going. Let's not waste it on past
What
things.
you want to talk about, brother?
Well, let's talk about your new venture that you're going to go on this week.
Gonna head down to Mississippi for a few days.
Yeah, he's going to head down to Mississippi for a few days.
Go see my mom off.
Go see Miss Womack.
Move to Indianapolis.
Was my foster mother too, for a brief moment. I think a couple of years.
Yeah, you were like 2 years. I was 2.5 years at least.
Yeah. Because the real mama came back, and she'd worked her way all the way out of the mental institution, and then worked her way out of New York. So she was a fighter, and came back, pulled me out, and me and her stayed in the old Willie Dale's
cottages.
Little one-room cottages. Half of a little teeny tiny house. Is those things still there?
They're still there. Sue's mother-in-law lives there. Mike's mom. Van Dyson.
She lives there?
Yep, she lives there in one of the cottages.
Wow.
She's the one that rides a bike around Ocean Springs all the time. She's, in her, I'll say 80s. Still rides her bike around to Shearwater.
Oh,
Got all that crazy hair, you know.
oh, I don't know. Never seen her.
They actually got little bike signs all around Ocean Springs now.
So you're going to take a little journey over to Gaucher,
Go Shay and
the Indian place.
go to the Pascagoula River cleanup and crawfish party up on the Indian Point, up on the Pascagoula River.
Oh, that should be interesting.
Yeah, I hope so. He actually texted me back today, asked me if I was bringing a boat. And I said, no, I'm not bringing a boat, but I might bring some wood. But I'll come and help cook, you know.
Yeah.
I plan on being down there at least by Thursday. I'll be free after Friday.
Yeah. What do you say about that?
I haven't seen it looked.
Huh?
I haven't looked lately.
Well, our dog got hit today. Hope it learned a lesson. It ran after a truck and a trailer that is always going back and forth here. Guy did nothing wrong. The dog ran out and got popped. And he's lucky he's alive. Didn't break anything, but sure hurt him.
Shook him up. Yeah.
But anyways, we hope you hear this, T. Oh,
If you're watching,
lights are gone.
yeah.
Lights are gone. We're fading real fast, folks, so we're going to say bye for Monday. But stay tuned and please tell your friends and do follow us. Please.
Just
It'd
don't
be
tell your
real
mother.
nice. Yeah, don't tell you what? Don't tell your mother. No, bring your mother along. Anyways, we're fading out. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
from Life at the Dogtrot.
Good morning.
Geoff and Hick.